Howdy folks, we are back with another RC Explosion Box by Philmington. This is for March 2024, as I am almost caught up now, just 1 month behind, as April sits beside me as well, and May is on the way. So let's get into it. Quick little reset. I am still working out the kinks, and appreciate those of you that have stuck with me as I'm figuring out my lighting situation and trying my best to reduce the glare, especially on a lot of these chrome cards. So again, thanks for sticking with. I am working on it, and I'm trying to bring you the best viewing experience possible. This is volume 63, and here is the manifest of packs in this box. It looks like quite a few, 4, 6, 8, 9 packs, including lots of good ones here. All right, let's take a look at these. See what we want to rip first. Topps Chrome update from 2022. 2023 Bowman Chrome. Topps Chrome from 2023. A throwback to 2013 Elite. That is interesting. Clint Frazier there pictured on the cover. But it looks like we are looking for an Aaron Judge in there, if we're really lucky. These boxes for me so far have been hit and miss. Had some decent boxes and a couple of not so decent ones. Here's a 2018 Heritage High number. I always like 2018 product. Such a strong rookie class. 2020 Baseball Series 1. I think that's just the flagship hobby pack. 2022 Bowman. A 2022 Bowman Nippon Professional Baseball. Last month we had a chrome version of this from Topps, so that's interesting. And Ellen and Ginter, a product that I like. I'm probably in the minority in that I'm not a big fan of Bowman, and don't shoot the messenger here, because I know a lot of you are, and that's there's always a lot of Bowman packs in this because it is the RC Explosion box and we're looking for rookies and prospects. But if you look back on history, from Bowman products all the way back as far as you can go, the vast majority of players that come out of these packs do not see MLB time. And even if you look at the hot prospects of each year in that year, very, very few have gone on to greatness. But there's always a few, and that's what people like to chase. I personally like the flagship products or the throwback products like the Ginter and the Heritage, because I'm a big fan of the veteran stars, and that's really who I'm interested in. I also like some of the older stars. So let me arrange these how I want to open them. Get all this chrome going here. And since I made that big speech about not liking Bowman, let's start with Bowman. And let's start with the NPB. This looks like some kind of a hanger pack. And these tend to be difficult to open. Here we go. Alright. Okay. I'm going to rip through some of these without naming them off, because I would just probably offend several of these players. by not pronouncing their names correctly anyways. And our Chrome, Yuki Sakeda and Leary Tanaka. Right? I don't know much about any of those players, so if I got something big, let me know in the comments. Switching to 2022 Bowman. Okay. Aaron Ashby. Right, let's get these going here. Luke Williams, Ryan Velade, Louis Gill, Marco Luciano with the High Five Futures, Max Muncy, first Bowman. That's kind of a nice one. Pretty big star for the Dodgers now. James Wood, Ellen Cerda, Elly De La Cruz first, and a Chrome. Very nice. That is definitely the hit we're looking for as far as the base in the Chrome. That's a beautiful card, and I kind of like that Muncy too. Not the huge name there, but Blaze Jordan for the Red Sox. So that's a very nice Bowman pack. We'll see how Elly does in his career. Off to a rip-roaring start. He's going to go with 2023 Topps Chrome. Okay. Michael Conforto. MJ Melendez Refractor. Come on. James Outman. Rookie card. Saw him. He had some big hits against the Twins in their series, so I don't know. I like the looks of him. Not sure what kind of a career he's going to have, but looked like a good, solid player to me. Joey Meneses, rookie cut for the Washington Ball Club. Okay. Sticking with the Chrome, let's go to 2022 Update Series. Okay, got a purple, I think. Okay. Can't remember if every pack had a purple or not in these updates, but I see these purples all over the place. Chris Bryant. Here's a Willie Mays insert. And Bryson Stott, rookie debut, purple refractor. Okay. Not too bad. All right, is this our last Chrome pack? Yes. 2023 Bowman Chrome. And the other reason I'm not... oh, here's a good one right off the bat here. Josh Jung. Rangers. Joey Weimer. Hey, and we have an auto hit. This is Kenny Gomez. And that is... I don't think these are numbered. Oh, it is numbered right on the front there. Not gonna get this to focus, I don't think. Here, come on. Come on. I don't know. I gotta get either a new camera or figure out what I'm doing wrong with the autofocus on this. Sorry about that, guys. There it is. Kenny Gomez. Pretty nice looking signature. Not sure what variation this is, some kind of sparkle. But I'll take it. Gabriel Gonzalez. There, now all of a sudden it's in focus. Great. And Brady House. Alright, 2020 Flagship Series 1. Jordan Alvarez rookies, Bo Bichette rookie in this product. 2020 Topps, not one of my favorite products for stupid reasons. Like, one reason is that they messed up the backs where they don't consistently have the right orientation on the backs. So when you're trying to sort them, you're flip-flopping them all over the place. And I'm just not a big fan of landscape cards, and there's a lot of them in here. But let's get through it here. Carlos Rondon, Hunter Renfroe, Kyle Hendricks, Polanco. Oh my gosh, flopping. Eloy Jimenez, Rookie Cup, Asan Diaz, Aroldis Chapman, Kurt Suzuki, Dodgers, Yelich, Javier Baez, Rainbow Foil, Blake and Nick Markakis with the Braves. Okay, I always remember him with the Orioles, but he had a long career. You can see there, stats on the back. Long career. Good player. All right, Ellen and Ginter, 2022 Hobby Pack. I do like this product. I don't always care for the non-sports selections. Here we have actor Danny Glover from, I remember him from Lethal Weapon, but he's been in a ton of stuff. Jazz Chisholm Jr., Jonathan India, Yadier Molina. Speaking of guys who have had long careers, Buxton, great ball player, but just has problems staying on the field. Just got injured again yesterday. Hopefully nothing serious. Follow that twin with another twin, Hall of Famer Rod Carew. Our mini is a regular ordinary mini of Teoscar Hernandez, and then insert Shane Bieber, pitching exam. Alright. 2018 Heritage High Number. And this, we're looking for Otani, Soto, Acuna. This is a retail pack. You never know. You never know. I already have an auto hit and a nice Elly De La Cruz. Let's see if we can get something else here. Pablo Sandoval, Giants. Caleb Smith. Andrew Romine. Austin Gomer. Steven Piscotty. Frankie Cordero. Matt Adams. Rookie, not the one we want, Tyler Beatty. Jose Martinez. Nothing of note in there. Possibly this might be an SP. Not sure. This is high number, so I think that didn't get much of anything in there. That's alright. That was a fun pack to open. This should be interesting. I've never opened a 2013 Elite. You're generally looking at college players in this set. I believe five cards per pack. There's a thickie in here, but I think that's a spacer. Alright, Hunter Renfroe. That is a big leaguer. Miguel Almonte. Don't recall him. Chance Sisco was a highly regarded prospect for a while. Actually ended up in the Twin system for a while. I'm not sure where he is now. There's our lovely spacer. And a couple of dinged up cards here. You can, I don't know if you can see that. But almost don't want to judge now because these are a little bit dinged. But I got Jordan Patterson and a Brad Goldberg. Alright. Alright, well there you have it, folks. Did get a nice auto hit and that very nice Elly De La Cruz Bowman first. And there we got focus on that autograph finally. So again, it's a work in progress, guys. Working on these lighting and focus issues. Some folks out there that have been doing this for years seem to really have it down. And if I keep doing this, I'll get there. But thanks again for watching. We'll get the March box rip in here soon, and then I should be all caught up with my Philmington subscription boxes. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a great day. And happy trails.